life is. I know what I said.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Alma, and I just got a new camera and this shit is dark as hell. Alright you guys, so before I go to my nail appointment, I went to go get some smoothies, or a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Y'all can't see my face because I just got this new camera and I just feel like it's so dark. So enjoy before and enjoy the scenery. Y'all gonna see more, don't worry, I'm gonna figure it out. What the hell? Thank you. You're welcome. Y'all, sorry for the lighting. I just got a new camera. It's stressing me out. Hopefully I can figure it out. I don't know if I'm really feeling this camera, y'all. Like, usually my old camera, it broke when I was in Cali. I don't know how, but I was able to like adjust the lighting as I was vlogging. This one, I literally can't. I feel like I look kind of dark. I feel like my chest and my hand area is light, but my face is dark, and we need to be focused on the face, honey. But anyway, my appointment is at 4:55 p.m. It is now 4:51 p.m. and so I have about 4 minutes till my appointment starts, but I think I am I'm gonna go in 2 minutes. My bad, y'all. I didn't even say what I'm doing. The camera really got me tight. Basically, this is a come with me to my appointments video. Before I got my nails done, I did get some Tropical Smoothie Cafe. This was too big for me to finish in this drive, so I'm like halfway, so I did pretty good. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna finish it, and I'm not taking it in with me. Like, I don't like to take drinks or things. I don't like to take drinks or things to you know, places when I have a mask on, because that high-key defeats the purpose, because I gotta take off my mask. That's just me. So yeah, I'm gonna gather my things, play around with the camera a little bit, and like get going to our place in a minute. I was just looking down to see the time, but yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in there. Oh, let me show you a little video of what I want my nails to look like. Let me find on Pinterest. Okay, let me bring in the screen. Oh, it's already the brightest. Okay, what y'all think? Okay, I don't know if y'all, okay, yeah, that's better. That's what I'm planning on getting. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys inside. Okay, the lighting, yeah, I'm not messing with it. I'll see y'all inside.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no, a place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
Yo, my nails are so cute. Can y'all see? Oh shit, this camera battery is dying. All right, so boom, you guys, the camera did die, so I had to change the battery. But you know, that's a little oil because you know she had to take pictures because they look good. Okay, I need to clean the camera lens. One sec. But my nails came out so cute. I love them. Yeah, they look good. Wait, get into it. Wait, can y'all see? Wait, do I need to zoom in? Nah, y'all can see, right? Okay. Wait, they look good. Okay, yeah. Yo, it's actually so bright. I literally can't see anything. I'm gonna go, but I'll see you guys later for my next appointment. I don't know if I'm gonna get my toes first or my lashes. So one of them two, but I'll see you guys later. Hey beauties, I know it's been a minute, but I am picking up the camera now because it's time for my next appointment. I'm about to get my lashes done. I'm currently in the car. I'm 5 minutes away from Mo. My appointment is at 1. I didn't get my eyebrows done because I feel like they kind of still look good. Oh my gosh, somebody's looking at me. But yeah, I'll see you guys at Mo's place. Bye.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want you.
Yo, look at my lashes. You already know who did it. You already know. It's Mo making lashes on the eyes. She never wanted me on the camera, so I'm not even gonna ask her to. Right, don't. I'm I'm not even gonna ask her today because I already know the answer. But yes, we did a volume set and then we did bottom lashes. Yeah, book mode. No, my lashes look good. So y'all, look at my lashes. I love them so much. My lashes look amazing. Shout out to Mo. Mo always be doing the dang thing. I have a pedicure appointment at 4:30 and it's 3. Ooh, shoot, my car's so hot. It's 3:42. Oh shoot, so I might as well, I'm gonna head in that direction. Why is this camera battery dying? Use it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna head home, get a spare camera battery, and yeah, because this camera not about to play me. So I'll see you guys in a little bit at my nail appointment, or maybe before then. I'm kind of feeling Starbucks. Let's go to Starbucks. Look at how hot it is. 102 degrees. Ain't that crazy? It's so hot. Steering wheel is hot, my middle console is hot, everything is freaking hot. Guys, so I'm at the nail salon. I made it in just in time. I actually got here with a minute to spare. My appointment was at 4:30 and I got here at 4:29, so it's 4:30 now, so I need to head in there. I have a jacket in my car. I'm gonna take that in just in case it's cold. So yeah, I'll see you guys inside. Alright y'all, so I'm back in my car for a quick minute because I came to drop off my jacket. It's way too hot in there. But also y'all, I also came in here because it's really the lack of customer service for me. Like, I'm trying to be calm. The month of June was for me to work on myself and be calm and respond to things with grace.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah. Place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just wanted to stop.
As y'all can see, I did not really vlog in there because that was absolutely the worst customer service I have ever experienced in my entire 22 years of living. Okay, maybe I'm being dramatic, but if it's not the top one, it's honestly up there with top 5. Anytime I tell y'all I'm about to get my nails done, check me in the comments to make sure I don't come back here. I feel like I know not to come back here, but like, hold your girl accountable. Yo, I really wish I had a spoolie to brush on my eyebrows. Mo, that was some good customer service. This was not good customer service. Anyway, y'all, I have not eaten all day. I'm hungry. I'm also a bit upset from the nail salon. However, I'm not sure what I want to eat. Like, I don't even have the slightest clue. I also haven't packed, and it's 5:22 p.m. So, I need to pack, but I need to eat. What should I eat? Because I receive such poor customer service, I decided just to vlog the rest of my day. There's really not much to it. I'm about to get Starbucks to cheer me up because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm actually very upset. But I'm just like trying to like just contain it. Come to Starbucks, I'm gonna get me a nice little drink. Ugh, let me just change the camera battery because this joint is flashing. I'm about to go to Starbucks. I haven't placed my order online. I like to get one of my orders, like, you know, I like to customize my drinks and stuff, except this drink. So the initial drink I wanted, they're out of something, so I can't get that drink, so I was gonna get another drink. But the other drink I'm gonna get, I don't know how to order it on the app, so I'm about to go in stores, and you know, it's not a big deal. I just prefer ordering on my phone because I don't have to wait. Like right now, as I was talking to y'all, it could be made. Yo, I just had a sip of this Starbucks drink. Basically I'm low-key like, okay, so when I was placing my order, I'm so nervous to say it because I know people are gonna start judging me, be like, what type of sweet tooth does she have? But basically, like, the drink is not, you know when you get a refresher, like the strawberry acai refresher, they shake it up in a shaker, and basically I wanted my drink unshaken. I repeated the order. I was like, can you not shake it up in the shaker? She was like, oh. I was like, yeah, I know it sounds a bit problematic, but trust me, it's good. I will say, if you do not like sweet, don't get this because it is sweet as heck. But if you don't know, I have the biggest sweet tooth in the entire universe. So y'all, we are at Ulta. You see how quick I finished this? It's not done, but I'm telling you, yo, let me just finish it before I get in the store. Okay, now we all done. So now I'm about to run into Ulta, spend some money. You guys, so they have the Bratz collection. That's Sasha, Jade, Yasmin, Chloe. So you guys, this is what I ended up getting. I just got 4. One for Fallon's sister Kennedy, my girl, and then 2 for me. Oops. So we're gonna grab these.
I met a girl from the UK. She a damn, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.